What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will be solving this problem here. We'll be finding the definite integral of this function here. Obviously we're gonna be using natural logs then, but you can pause this video and try to solve this problem. Let's see if you're gonna get the same answer as the one that I got on at the end of this video. If you are new on this channel, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you can able to see that new video. I've made videos on other chapters. You can go to the playlist section of this channel and watch those videos. Also, I've made previous question papers, so you can also find them there. Right, I'm planning to make more videos guys, so stick around so that you can able to see those videos. Now let's start guys. So this one, how you gonna solve this one? Now let's look at our n here, our exponent here. As you can see now, the exponent is -1. So you know that when n is -1, we cannot use the power rule. The power rule cannot be used, remember that. So you must use the natural log to integrate. So how is the formula? So the formula for to integrate when we have when you have n as -1, basically it's like this. So it's gonna be y is equaling to natural log x plus c. Now because here we have 7, we have to simplify this first so that it can look like this. So let's do it. So before you remove the s, you have to simplify it. So you know that it's gonna be 7 and then divide by x. Remember, this is x to the power of -1 is the same as 1 over x multiplied by 7. So this is going to give us 7 dx, right? So from here you can just integrate. Now when you integrate, remember the s, you remove it, and then you're gonna left with the coefficient here, natural log plus c. Remember, this c basically means it's a constant and also indicates that this is an indefinite integral. Guys, I hope you managed to see this one. By the way, if you don't know where this is coming from, there is a video that I made here explaining this method here. Other than that, this was very straightforward guys. I don't think it was more of a challenge. You can rewatch it if you didn't understand some of the things, and you can also leave a comment if you need to add or you want to ask a question. And also guys, if this video helped you to understand much better, you can also like the video, subscribe to the channel. Do not forget, please click the bell icon, and also share this video to your friends. At the end of this video, there is a playlist where I solve some of the problems using this law here. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Till next time, cheers.